Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're smoking some sausage and pepper sliders that's perfect for any type of gathering. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes as well as the full recipe in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. These sausage and pepper sliders are really simple to put together, which means they're really great to bring to a party. Every bite is full of flavor and it can feed a lot of people. So to begin this recipe, you're gonna need some sausage. This is some mild Italian sausage that I picked up from my local grocery store. And because we're gonna smoke it for about 2 hours, we're gonna pull out these skewers and just place them off to the side. And the reason I'm gonna do this is because I wanna expose all the sides of the sausage to that smoke. Once the sausage has been unraveled, we're just gonna take a knife and we're gonna slice it right in half here. And this is now going to give us 2 lengths of sausage that are about the same size as a loaf of French bread. And this is perfect because with 1 coil of sausage, you can feed a lot of people. All right, so with this simple prep done for the sausages, let's get the kettle grill set up for smoking at 225 degrees. To set up the grill, I placed in about half a chimney of briquettes, and then I got them partially lit. At that point, I placed in 3 smoking blocks to provide that smoky flavor that we're looking for, and then I closed the lid and let it finish coming up to temperature. With our grill stable at 225 degrees, let's go ahead and place our sausage onto the grill. Once the sausage is on the grill, close the lid and we're gonna begin smoking these for about 2 hours. So these sausages have been cooking for just over an hour, so I'm gonna open up the grill, take a look, and then give them a flip. You can see that they're already starting to get some nice color from that smoke, and it won't be too long before they're ready to come off. So let's close the grill and continue cooking these for another hour. While we wait for our sausage to finish smoking, let's go ahead and prepare our vegetables. You're gonna need 1 orange pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 full onion, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, and some jalapeno. And when it comes to the jalapeno, only put in as much as you like. And so with that, let's go ahead and slice our vegetables. These sausages have been smoking for 2 hours between 225 and 250 degrees. So let's open up the grill, check the temperature, and see if they're ready to come off. The sausages are done, so let's get them off the grill and begin sauteing our peppers. First of all, in a cast iron skillet, place a little bit of oil and then let your pan get up to temperature. Next, carefully add in all of your cut up peppers and onions, garlic, your jalapenos, and just place them into your skillet and give it a mix. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, because we wanna make sure we're seasoning every step of this process. And we're just gonna continue to saute these vegetables until they're soft with a little bit of crunch. So these peppers are all done, they're soft with just a little bit of crunch, so let's pull them off and we'll start building our sandwich. To build our sausage and pepper sliders, let's grab our French loaf. Then we're gonna place some Dijon mustard onto the bottom layer. You could use some spicy mayo, a little bit of hot sauce, or whatever type of condiment you prefer. Next, place in your sausage that we just smoked. We're gonna place that right into the middle. Next, I'm gonna take this mixture and just load up this sandwich. Then the last thing I'm gonna add is some grated mozzarella cheese. Then to finish this off, let's place this back onto the grill for about 4 to 5 minutes just to get that cheese gooey and soft. And when that's done, we're gonna get it off the grill, cut it up, and get ready for the taste test. Right, so these sausage and pepper sliders turned out great. They smell amazing. They've got some vibrant colors. I can't wait to give them a taste. Here we go. Guys, these are delicious. That Italian sausage is nice and smoky. The onions and the peppers are soft with a little bit of crunch, and there's a bit of that heat coming through from that jalapeno we put on, and that cheese just kind of brings everything together. These smoked sausage and pepper sliders are gonna be a hit for sure. So there you go, delicious and smoky sausage and pepper sliders that you're gonna love for any type of gathering. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And on that, we'll see you next time.